Hello, plant lovers, and welcome back to Terramator Gardens. Today, we're spotlighting a truly charming and low maintenance plant, the Swedish Ivy Emerald Lace. With its cascading growth and beautiful scalloped leaves, this plant is a favorite for both indoor spaces and garden accents. Swedish ivy hails from southern Africa, where it grows in tropical and subtropical climates. The emerald lace variety is a cultivated form designed for ornamental purposes, celebrated for its compact size and decorative leaves. It became a staple in European homes and is easy to care for, and has quickly made itself a global favorite. Emerald lace Swedish ivy is a fast-growing perennial with soft trailing stems that grow up to about 2 to 3 feet long. Its small, scalloped leaves are bright green, creating a lacy, textured appearance. During the growing season, you might see tiny lavender or white flowers that add a delicate charm. Its trailer habit makes it perfect for hanging baskets or as a cascading accent in mixed containers. Swedish ivy emerald lace thrives with minimal effort. It loves bright and direct light, but can tolerate partial shade. Avoid direct sunlight, as that will scorch its leaves. A well-draining potting mix works perfectly. Adding a bit of organic matter ensures healthy growth. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. This tropical plant thrives in temperatures between 60 and 75 degrees and appreciates higher humidity levels, so mist the leaves occasionally, especially in dry indoor environments. Regular pruning by pinching the stems to encourage bushier growth and remove any dead or yellowing leaves. Swedish ivy emerald lace pairs well with other shade-loving and moisture-friendly plants. Combine it with ferns, coleus, gonias for a lush and vibrant container arrangement. Its trailing growth also makes it perfect for upright companion plants, creating a dynamic contrast. One of the standout features of Swedish ivy emerald lace is its rapid growth. With the right care, it can quickly fill a space, making it ideal for covering bare spots in your garden or creating an instant lush look in your home. It's also pet friendly, making it a safe choice for homes with cats or dogs. This versatile plant is primarily ornamental, but its lush greenery brings calming, natural vibes to any environment. Use it in hanging baskets, tabletop arrangements, or as a ground cover in a shady outdoor spot. Its cascading growth makes it a great choice for decorating vertical spaces like shelves or walls. Swedish ivy emerald lace is truly a gem, offering beauty and ease and versatility. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this plant is sure to bring a touch of elegance and greenery into your space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more plant profiles and gardening tips. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy planting.